How's it going, everyone? I've got some questions in the past about the exhaust system on my truck, and it's low, obviously, so it's on the lift. Perfect opportunity. Some people don't grasp when I'm telling them this, so obviously Speed Engineering long tubes that have been on here for a while. I've got these 3 to 2.5 reducers, crossover pipe. Same thing on the passenger side. Got a couple of high flow emissions devices, and it's all dual 2.5 inch at this point. Come over to here. It's a big case Magnaflow muffler, 2.5 in. It's a 3.5 inch exit. This is actually the muffler and tailpipe. I had a 96 Chevy with this cat back on it, and I was able to modify it in a few places and get it to work on this truck. So there you have it. My homemade drive shaft loop that has actually done its job once before. This is the DTR Fab 4L80 trans cross member. So nice piece. I like how it doesn't run in this void here from the factory. He gave me room for the exhaust. It drops back here. He does sell these. I forget his, I'll drop it below his Instagram profile. I know he goes by Dirt Track Racer 88, I think, on performancetrucks.net, if you visit that site at all. That's his front cross member he come out with a couple of years, or like a year and a half ago, I guess. I just put that on when I changed the engine, dropped some weight, gave me some more room. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much the tour of underneath this new engine. It's only been in here a little while, but it seems to be holding up pretty good. No leaks, no messes. It's this good old 4L80E that I put in with the original engine. It's holding up, it's doing its thing. So, but just thought I would show you guys around underneath the truck so you could get a grasp for what I'm running for an exhaust system and all that. Thanks for watching.